All right, so files autosave. Controls autosave of dirty files. Read more about autosave here. Off. A dirty file is never automatically saved. Now, obviously, this is a very useful feature. And you have off, which means you have to manually save your files. After a particular delay, on focus change, meaning if you change editors, or on window change, meaning if you change from VS Code to something else. It's very useful to save after a delay, and usually I just set 1 second. So this feature is very useful. However, if you have 1 second, exactly 1 second or below, you won't have a dirty circle there, right? So if we change this file to 999, for example, we notice that you didn't just look at this X here and notice that you were not going to see a dirty circle when I change this, right? But if you set some number above 1000, you will get that dirty circle. Or was it 1500? Yeah, 1500 works. I thought it was 1000. Maybe they changed it. Hang on a sec. Okay, so it's working with 1001. Yeah, okay. So I actually enjoy seeing that dirty circle just for the second that the file is not saved and then being saved. I don't know why I enjoy seeing that. I just do. And there's this little detail here that if you set this to 1000, you will not see the dirty circle anymore. If you change it to any number above that, you will. Like so. Cool trick. So I'm going to leave this one with after a delay, which is very useful.